tried to capture the solar eclipse using just a $40 lens. I live in Dallas, Texas, and the path to totality won't hit here again for another 40 years, so I really only had one chance. The $40 lens I got is this 400mm to 800mm f8.3 to f16. This isn't a sponsored video, I actually bought this lens with my own money. However, I wanted to put a twist on the shot that I got, so that's why I got an infrared filter to see what it would look like in the infrared spectrum. If you know anything about shooting a camera at the sun, you know that you need a really strong filter. Unfortunately, the strongest filter I have only goes up to an ND400. So the ND filter paired with the infrared filter still will not be strong enough to protect my sensor from direct sunlight. Luckily, once it hits totality, I can safely shoot the entire eclipse without an ND filter. So I decided to use my Lumix S5 to get this main shot. The reason I say main shot is because just in case, just to have backup, I decided to use my Fuji XS20 on a Tamron 300mm. This way you can see what a $40 versus a $400 telephoto lens gets of the eclipse. Oh yeah, I went handheld on the Fuji. I just wanted to apologize ahead of time. With the RF filter and the lens only shooting at f16, I did have to crank the ISO up pretty high, so I did have to do some denoising. Overall, I think it turned out pretty clean. But if you really want to see what this infrared filter can do, check out next week's video where I attempt to get the Dune 2 Harkonnen look.